Today, many cars are equipped with UHP or run-flat tyres. While improving vehicle safety, these tyres have rather rigid sidewalls, which is a big challenge both to mounting and demounting equipment and operators. We're pleased to present here a roller-type tyre changer with integrated demounting lever, which was certified by the German WDK, Association of German Tyre Industry. This semi-automatic tyre changer provides optimum support to the operator when handling tyres of all types. The ergonomic lift easily loads heavy tyres onto the clamping flange. This flange is vertically adjustable so that even wide tyres or reverse tyres can be mounted and demounted conveniently. The specially designed integrated demounting lever supersedes the conventional tyre lever. It preserves the tyre and does the otherwise tedious job of the operator. The conspicuous control console is another highlight of this semi-automatic tyre changer. Let us guide you step by step through the demounting and mounting procedure of a run-flat tyre. You'll see how user-friendly the machine is and how ergonomic and convenient operation can be. Clamp the rim by its center bore using the cone with plastic protection for alloy wheels. Now check the rim for proper clamping and deflate the tyre. Press down the tyre with the plastic bead breaker disc and carefully lubricate the bead. If a tyre pressure monitoring system is fitted, make sure not to apply the disc in this area. As soon as the bead breaker disc is under the rim flange, press the release button on the control console to change the angle of application of the disc so that the bead breaking force is transmitted to the bead in the best possible way. Remove the bead breaker disc from the wheel, hinge upwards by 180 degrees, locate and position under the wheel. Use the mirror to check correct position of the bead breaker disc. Carefully proceed with breaking the lower bead by means of the plastic bead breaker disc. If the bead breaker disc is under the rim flange, press the release button on the control console to change the angle of application of the disc, so that the bead breaking force is transmitted to the bead in the best possible way. Make sure the bead breaker disc does not penetrate any further. Lubricate the integrated demounting lever, add the plastic tyre protection and position the mounting head with the integrated demounting lever. Make sure the valve is situated right of the mounting head. Carefully insert the integrated demounting lever between bead and rim flange up to the drop center of the rim, rotating the wheel in clockwise direction. Rotate the wheel until the valve is approximately 10 centimeters in front of the integrated lever and use the triangular bead pusher to press the bead into the drop center of the rim in several positions. Slightly lift the tyre from below by means of the plastic bead breaker disc, but make sure not to compress the tyre. Then lever the bead over the mounting head using the integrated demounting lever and apply the bead pusher to press the bead into the drop center of the rim. Carefully insert the plastic demounting tool between bead and rim flange just right of the integrated demounting lever. Now start the demounting procedure, slowly rotating the wheel in clockwise direction and guiding the upper bead with the plastic demounting tool until the bead is completely demounted. Rotate the wheel until the valve is situated approximately 10 centimeters in front of the demounting lever so that there will be no contact with the bead breaker disc when it is raised in the next step. Replace the mounting head to its home position. Press the tyre upwards with the plastic bead breaker disc until it reaches the position on the rim flange. Now press the release button on the control console to change the angle of application of the disc. Start demounting the lower bead, rotating the wheel in clockwise direction until the lower bead is completely demounted. Finally, unclamp the rim. Clamp the rim by its center bore using the cone with plastic protection for alloy wheels. Check the rim for proper clamping. Lubricate the drop center of the rim up to the hump. If a tire pressure monitoring system is fitted, it has to be lubricated as well. Also lubricate the tire sidewalls and bead, even inside. Place the tire on the rim and position the mounting head. Make sure the valve is positioned in front of the point of traction of the bead and mount the lower bead. Rotate the rim with the tire until the valve is situated in front of the point of traction of the bead in approximately 5 o'clock position. Next, position the plastic bead breaker disc near the mounting head at a 10 mm clearance relative to the rim flange, where it will perfectly support the mounting procedure. Add to the plastic tire protection on the rim flange at the point of traction and clamp the triangular bead pusher on the plastic tire protection. Now start mounting the tire, rotating the wheel until the valve is in 7 o'clock position. Insert the magic bead pusher MBP6 gradually between bead breaker disc and triangular bead pusher, adding more lubricant to the tire side wall. Shortly before the mounting procedure is completed, remove the triangular bead pusher. Slowly rotate the wheel in counterclockwise direction, removing the magic bead pusher MBP6, then the plastic bead breaker disc, and finally replacing the mounting head to its home position. Inflate the tire and unclamp the wheel. This semi-automatic tire changer will increase the professionalism of your garage and enable you to offer optimum wheel and tire service, even to your most discriminating customers.